All right, guys, what's up and what's good? As y'all can see in live HD, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, with a brand new trip to the Thrift. Now, what I've decided to do as of late is do oh, that's my dress.
Tripping.
Is do unboxings at the beginning of these trip to the Thrift videos, and this box is from my sponsor. Anyways, this is from my favorite sponsor, the fine folks over at Puma. And yeah, some of you guys say that I pronounce Puma wrong. It's a Spanish word, Puma. It means cougar. It's not Puma, you little British scallywags. All right, let's crack into this bad boy. Cheers! All right, so we're all up in here, and Puma threw in 2 pairs of kicks for your boy. I'm blessed, man. And these are 85 bucks, evidently, at Champs from the Unity collection. And oh, dropping the top. Dude, this first pair of shoe is unreal.
Oh, unreal.
Check it out, guys. You have the white rendition with all these crazy colors, and the Unity collection essentially is celebrating Puma's sports heritage and showing how sports can bring the world together as one. So yeah, man, everyone needs to play sports, bruh. Water sports, ice sports, any sport. Very crispy. The colors are derived from international flags, so I love the accents with the red, the yellow, and then the Cookie Monster blue on the back. These overall are just a super sick shoe and a very crispy silhouette. Now, Puma also is donating $100,000 from this collection to the COVID-19 Solidarity Response Fund, which I definitely can get behind. So it'll help countries prevent, detect, and ultimately respond to the pandemic that's happening right now. So, second pair of shoes, awesome sauce. You have the black rendition, same thing, different color scheme. Absolutely incredible. I can definitely envision myself just living in these kicks. Oh, they smell unreal. So again, if you guys want to grab a pair of these shoes, they're only $85 right now on Champs. Link in video description. You got the salt, you have the pepper. You guys can add some flavorings to your feet and then hit the streets in some heat, you dig? So I definitely recommend you guys click the link in the video description, grab a pair, grab a 2, and yeah, help respond to COVID. All right, man, without further ado, let's chunk these on feet and hit the thrifts. And all right, my guys, we've arrived at the family thrift outlet, $2 everything. Let's hop in there and see what they have to match these. And all right, guys, stomping in here. First find is that NASCAR jacket. A NASCAR jacket. 4 for 4. Got that FedEx Champions. This thing is awesome. Firehawk, man. Arguably one of my favorite pieces of upholstery. I love a Firehawk, bro. It's lit. All right, this jacket is going with the white pair of shoes. I love having denim with white. You have the Save the Planet. Oh man, kind of goes with the whole Unity collection. Hard Cock Rafe, Dyslexia, Hard Rock Cafe jacket. Thing got hit by a stray little piece of that bacon cheeseburger, but this is so nice. Nice. Yes, sir. Primary reason I come to the Thrift is for them dicks. They also have the Cooters Raw Bar. Oh no, chill. Oh, my size? The Puma slippers? Must cop. This is hands down the most perfect piece for the collection. Perfect. Look at all the different colors, international flag status, and it is a reversible vintage jacket, so heavily nacho cheesed out on the inside, and then the outside just has that beautiful abstract design. Yes, sir. Oh my God, look at this, man. You have the fiscally irresponsible individual windbreaker. A gambling encrusted piece. Okay, we're gonna have to nab this dude. All right, somebody reel me this. Why do they make merchandise for hurricanes like it's a music festival? This says the Big Slam, Hurricane Ike. Bro, that destroyed my school. For like 2 months we didn't have class. And this is the tribute they're giving it? Come on, man.
Tripping.
I swear, found right in time. It's that boy Casper. That's what they definitely would have called me if I was in a Hispanic gang.
Damn, Casper, quit smiling and ruining the shop, fool.
Happy Halloween boy popping out the pumpkin. I have like 3 more days to utilize this garment, and I'm gonna make the most of it this year. Hells yeah. Bruh, This shirt goes dumb. You have that nasty boys. We make home calls. Oh Lord, hell no. Single stitch vintage t-shirt right here. I don't know what year that is. I think it's 1993.
Oh, drill y'all.
No tag on the inside.
Got it.
Bro. Crazy. Dang, this fool got that neck. Oh, iced out mole? Dude, I definitely can make this shirt work. Hold on. Ooh, the thirst quencher? Is it in you?
Gatorade. H2O.
Oh, the mammalian sea cucumber? They have the manatee tea. Double-sided, I'm excited. Look at that tail. Thick than a bit. Guys, broccoli and cheese color scheme. Look at the patch. Polo Ralpheus Lorenus Sport. Vintage jacket. Oh man, dude, load up my plate. I'm about to devour this deliciousness. This is crazy. Oh, guys, we got one. We got a live one. You guys know that Disney craze is smacking in the thrifts right now. And we have that Pongo and Purdy exclusive. Bruh, 101 babies. That's as many as I want during my first pregnancy, dude. Look at all these pups. Bro, this is wild. Made in USA. This is that homegrown heater. What a classic. What an absolute classic. Shout out Horace and Jasper one time too, man. Unsung heroes of the movie. All right, guys. We have an absolute grail. I can definitely see this shirt going with what I have on feet. It is the Stone Cold Steve Austin 316 double-sided tee. My guys, yes. Okay guys, so we're gonna skedaddle out of here, and I had to walk with a limp and take off my shoe to show you guys how well this matches this vintage The Sweater Shop all knit sweater. Bruh, look at this striping and piping. Are you serial? How is this even legal? Houseway. Let's get it. Oh, handfuls of heat, my guys. All right, so we're back from the thrift right now, and as y'all can see, I have just handfuls of garments that I think will go really, really nicely with the Puma Street Riders Unity collection. So without further ado, we're gonna throw some of these vintage garments on torso, and I'll show you guys how I can mix and match, get a little bit saucy with the thrift fits. Let's go.
Welcome to Victoria's Secret Fashion Show. Outfit number 1 is denim on denim. Oh, is he getting frisked? Oh, look at the 360 spin move and the white sneakers. This man knows style. He sits like a princess and he looks like one too. Fit number 2 is this 1980s abomination. Multicolored jacket atop the Casper tee. He is cocky and he is sculpted. What is this move he's hitting? Is that a crane? Oh my lord. Somebody get him off this stage before I put him in my pocket and take him home. Here's outfit number 3 and it is ugly. Oh my god, why is he so violent? Not the guns. Oh, but this last fit I can get behind. Look at the booty and look at the cozy nature of the knit sweater. He's rolling dice. He's getting dust off the shoulders and he's telling me to lay on his lap. This man is an absolute icon and I cannot wait to see more from him in Victoria's Secret Fashion Show.
Woo! And alrighty guys, so hopefully y'all did enjoy today's video. If y'all did, like, comment, and subscribe. Once again, grab yourself a pair of the Puma Street Riders Unity collection. These are hands down my favorite shoes Puma has ever sent me. They are so easy to match with. It's like just about anything I picked up in today's video, I could easily rock with the white pair or the black pair. So 85 bucks, and it goes to helping COVID relief. So yeah, man, you guys show some love. Click the link in the video description to grab a pair. And until next time, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I am locked, loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.